Yes. Today now we start our letter writing. Okay. First of all, I want to give you how to write a job application. Okay. So first write the question. You are Rashmi Sharma. You are Rashmi Sharma living at you are Rashmi Sharma living at 219 Shastri Nagar Ghaziabad. You have come across a vacancy for an English teacher issued by Delhi Public School Delhi. Write a letter to the principal pen दे देना इसकी पेन है दे देना पाती कौन मांग रहा है हाँ जी yes where you were to the principal of that school for applying that post okay now it is letter means the job application okay it is just like your formal letters so first of all as you know the format you will write sender's address here I write the sender's address what is the address on this side 219 Shastri Nagar Ghaziabad okay now gap line what is the date December 19 2020 hello bachcho it is visible hello bachcho
Yes,
it is
sir.
visible okay
Yes, sir.
okay now the address of that school to which you are sending your application principal Delhi Public School Delhi gap line sir oblique ma'am okay then subject an application for the post of a teacher Let's start. In a reference to your advertisement, body of the letter. Now body of the letter, okay? In reference to your advertisement, in reference to your advertisement published in inverted commas begin in the Times of India, in the Times of India, comma close, on Sunday, dated 13/12/2020, comma, I have come to know that you require a post of an English PGT, in your respected school. Full stop. I offer my services for this post. I am a very hardworking person. I am a very hardworking person. I am very hardworking person. Okay. If you give me a chance, to do work under your kind control, I will show you my worth. I will show you my worth, WORTH, my worth and ability. My worth and ability. Full stop. I promise you, I will give no chance for any complaint. I am enclosing my biodata. I am enclosing my biodata along with this application. Next line. You are requested to have a look at my resume, RESUME, and give me a chance. and give me a chance. Next line लिखिएगा, with regards. Next line, on the left side, yours truly. What is the name? Rashmi Sharma. Now, you have written the application, but you have also mentioned here biodata. So you will also write biodata. Without biodata, your job application will be incomplete. Okay, so now we should complete it by writing biodata. Biodata. First of all, write name. Candidate's name. ओके, क्या नाम है? रश्मि शर्मा. Father's name, Mr. राम प्रकाश शर्मा. बेटा विजिबल है? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I use dark chalk? Okay. Now, nowadays, mother name is also mentioned in the biodata. You can write here mother's name. Mrs. Sarla Sharma. Now, DOB. You know, DOB means date of birth. Okay. December 7, 1988. If you wish, you can write any year. Okay. Now, academic qualification. MA English with 90% marks. It is your academic qualification. Okay, now you will write professional qualification. Academic, and there is a difference between academic and professional qualification. Your B.Ed, M.Ed is known as professional qualification. You will write here professional qualification. Okay, you can write here M.Ed, M.Phil. M.Phil means Master of Philosophy. M.Ed means Master of Education. experience, 2 years of teaching in Globe Public School, Ghaziabad. GZB is a short form of Ghaziabad. Or you can write in caps GZB, Ghaziabad. Marital status, unmarried. Personality, pleasing. Nationality, Indian. Language known, English, Hindi. You can also write French. To impress the principal of the school, you can write English, Hindi, and French. Okay. Now come to the point of salary. Salary matter. Right? Salary expected. Rupees 40,000. Reference. For the reference, you can write here any two name of your of the eminent person of your locality. Dr. Lakshman Prasad, heart specialist. Heart specialist. And engineer Ravi Shankar.
सर सर ये लास्ट वाले नेम दोबारा से बोल दीजिए एक बार, दिखाई नहीं दे रहे बोर्ड पर।
रेफरेंस इज डॉक्टर लक्ष्मण प्रसाद, हार्ट स्पेशलिस्ट, इंजीनियर रवि शंकर.
ओके सर.
And at last you will write your mobile number 9897100200. अगर तो वहां से दो लिख दीजिए 9760112233. In this way your job application gets ended. It is the right way of writing job application. Okay, now period is over, so I am ending the meeting. Okay.